I'm so excited to be sharing new products on the channel. Keep watching to see what I have. Hi curl friends, welcome back to my channel and a special welcome to those of you who are new here. I'm Naturally Shanice, your favorite curl friend, and I have tons of natural hair tutorials and product reviews. When I'm not doing hair, I do like to share my personal health and fitness journey, beauty and skincare tips, and a little bit of mom life. When you watch my videos, my whole goal is for you to leave with the knowledge and tools to help you feel confident with your natural curls, doing and wearing them, as well as give you the tools to help take care of yourself better physically and mentally. So be sure to check out some of my other videos and playlists, and when you find something that you like, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out. All right, let's get into today's tutorial. Listen, I got the iPad going today. Like, ooh, she's official. Okay, seriously, listen, I'm bringing some new products to you today to the channel, and I've had these. This is called Miche. Yay, introducing Miche to you. So if you've never heard of Miche, you're about to get a little intro before we get into today's tutorial. I don't bring any and everything to the channel, okay? I really bring stuff that I use, that I like, and I really test out stuff for months before giving a review or giving you guys information, because I want to make sure that I genuinely like it. And so that's why it's taken me a few months to bring Miche here to the channel today. Now, you all know how much I love a great shampoo and cleanser, and this is called Cleanse, and it's a sulfate-free shampoo. It really doesn't disappoint. This has kept my hair really moisturized. It's designed with a pH balance. It deeply penetrates to repair, protect, and restore damaged cuticles. As you can see, it's super rich and creamy, and it also smells divine. I want to focus in on what I'm doing right here, which is detangling my hair while shampooing. This is a great way for you to save time on the front end of your wash day versus spending 30 minutes, 40 minutes just detangling your hair. This cleanse shampoo allows you to do that. I'm using my fingers, but you can definitely use a comb. I just love this shampoo, okay? I love it. My hair, after every, I've been using this since October, okay? And my hair, after every shampoo, is completely soft. I feel like I just deep conditioned my hair, but I didn't. I just washed it. That's how good my hair and scalp feel. Now, hands down, this is my favorite product between all the products that I was sent. It's called Strengthening Protein Moisture Balance Deep Conditioner. No cap, as my sons would say, which means no exaggeration. This right here is no joke. It leaves my hair feeling like whipped butter, and most importantly, my hair is completely hydrated and moisturized. What I'm doing here is really taking my time to work in the Strengthen Deep Conditioner. This is very, very important when applying your deep conditioners, because if you just apply it on the top of your head, okay, and go, you're not really using the product correctly. So what you want to just apply the deep conditioner, and you want to do your fingers through it or use your comb. Take your time. Make sure that your hair is hydrated with water, then apply. Stop applying more deep conditioner before you apply water. Water should activate the deep conditioner. Listen, I made a whole nother separate video on my new steam conditioning cap. It's bomb. I think you're gonna love it. Stay tuned. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I love this conditioner. Protein packed. My hair just feels, I really wish you guys could feel my hair through the screen. Oh my gosh, it feels so freaking good. I love it. The next two steps are to apply this lavish leave-in conditioner and then follow that up with the Sculpt Curl Defining Gel. This is a rich and creamy leave-in conditioner. It's super light, but I do want to note that its first ingredient is distilled water infused with horsetail leaf extract. Sculpt is an alcohol-free curl defining gel designed for a medium hold with lasting definition. It is made with organic aloe vera and bamboo extract. Listen to the amount of water that I'm applying on my hair. Listen, I'm applying a ton of water. This is because the product needs water to penetrate your hair shaft. If you're struggling with moisture, try more water than product. Now that my hair is soaking wet, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Lavish leave-in conditioner. I just did 2 pumps for this section. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work the product into the water, into the hair shaft with my fingers. I'm going to take my comb and I'm gonna smooth that section out. Then I'm gonna take the water bottle again before applying the Sculpt Defining Gel, and I'm gonna wet my hair just one more time. Then I'm gonna take, you can see here I took like, I don't know, a little finger scoop of the Sculpt Defining Gel, and I'm gonna work that through with the product and the leave-in. Then I am going to finger coil my hair. For finger coiling, I'm going to grab my hair, I'm gonna start in the middle or towards the end, and I'm literally just going to twirl the hair around my fingers, and then I'm going to let it go. Look at the difference between the top, which is not finger coiled or with no products, and the bottom, which I have products on, I added water to. You could tell that the curls are popping, right? So to get this look, what you want to do is section out your hair. Always work in sections. I like to work in smaller sections, but you could work in bigger sections. So I separated out this too because it's a really, really, really big section. I want to make sure that as I spray water, I'm working that water into my hair. Then I'm doing the comb and I'm combing it out. And then I'm applying the leave-in, right? I'm gonna apply more water to that, and then apply the gel. Then I'm gonna take my fingers and comb again. I'm gonna comb it through. Emphasis on water and really working in the product in my hair, right? Then I'm gonna take my finger, and once again, I'm gonna wrap, starting at the bottom and working my way up to that root. Wrap the hair around my fingers and then let it go. And you can see here that I've broke this section up multiple times. So here's what my hair looks like once all the finger coils are done. You can see that we have tons of definition. You can see that product is not excessively dripping off my hair. And now we're gonna get into the drying phase. See what I'm doing here? Do not touch your hair. Touching your hair equals frizz. Leave your hair alone. If you're a new subscriber here, you're going to see almost in all my videos that I love to use a diffuser to dry my hair. I very rarely air dry all of my hair. I love a diffuser because diffusers are designed to disperse air equally throughout your hair, whereas if you were to not use a diffuser, you would have direct heat and concentration just on like one section of your hair. When you diffuse, it disperses that air equally, therefore preventing heat damage to your hair as well. And you also get quicker drying time. The results here that you see here, this is from diffusing my hair, and I wash my hair almost a week to the day that I am doing this recording right now. When I diffuse my hair, I do several things. One, I do not comb through it or pick it when my hair is wet and drying. I wait to pick my hair till after it is completely dry. That's gonna help reduce frizz and keep the curl definition that you already have. Then, as you can see, I'm literally just kind of placing the diffuser on the top of my head, on the side of my head, again, letting the curls hang. I'm gonna tilt it back. I really wanna concentrate for me on drying in here and drying throughout the middle of my hair and the top of my hair. The more that I go like this, and again, it's dispersing it. So if my head is down, the diffuser is right here, right? If my hair is tilted down here, so it's almost like the diffuser's in the same direction or opposite direction of the hair, okay? And you'll see that the hair has tons of bounce throughout this process. Another reason why I love this curl defining gel is that it doesn't, it definitely elongates the curls. And I think you saw some of that throughout the tutorial here, but my hair is just a little bit longer and I love it. You can see that we have great definition as the product describes, and it works really well with water. Overall, I am so thrilled to have brought you the Miche product line. I hope that you give Miche a try if you've never heard of them or if you just haven't got to try and experience Miche yet. I put all of the individual product links in the description box below, and you could also read more about Miche on Miche's website. But trust me on this one, give Miche a try if you're looking for something new. I absolutely love this line, and I'm so glad that I was able to bring it to you. If you liked today's video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and also share with a friend. I'm trying to get to 4K subscriber curl friends here and build this community, and I can't do it without your help and your viewing and your shares and your likes and comments. So thank you so much for being a part of my curl friend community, where we learn and we build confidence in doing our own hair. All right, so until next time, bye curl friends.